Okay. Micah, say my colors.
My colors.
What color is that?
Apple.
What color?
Red apple.
Good job. And what color is that? Aaron, don't tell him.
Red sun.
Okay. And what color is that? Micah, what color is that?
Goldfish.
Goldfish. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. Good job.
That means it's
What color is that?
a green frog.
Good job. What color is that?
And silk.
A snail. What color is a snail?
I don't know.
What color?
Silk.
The snail is what? What color?
I don't know.
What color is that?
Blue.
Nope.
Purple.
Good job. What color is that?
Orange.
What's that?
Orange fire.
Orange flower. Good job. What color is that?
Black fire.
Black what?
Black.
What is that?
I don't know.
A crow?
Cow. Whoa. No. No.
You think it's a raven, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait.
What color is that? Aaron?
Brown ice cream.
Brown ice cream. Wait, one more. What color is that?
White.
What is that?
Snowflake.
Snowflake. Good job. Micah, look at Mom. Do you like that book?
Yeah.
Is it a good book?
It's a big book.
It's a big book?
Yeah.
Does it make you happy?
Yeah, the big book.
Yeah? Okay, say bye.
It does. Bye. It does.